Hello students, the topic of the speech is Republic Day. Good morning everyone. Republic Day is a very important day for all of us. On this day, we celebrate the day when India became a republic and adopted its own constitution in 1950. This constitution gave us rights like freedom of speech, education and equality. We remember all the brave leaders and freedom fighters who made this possible. On Republic Day, we watch a grand parade in New Delhi where soldiers march and show their strength and children perform dances and songs. We also remember the importance of being united and working together for a better India. Let's always love and respect our country. Happy Republic Day to all. Jai Hind. Don't forget to subscribe.